Hello, my name is Dustin, and welcome to the fourth lesson in the PLNAR tutorial. In this lesson, we will learn how to identify and annotate damage within the room. You can see that this room's walls have been damaged, and we need to mark off where the damage has taken place. After you complete your initial measurements, move the target to a starting point of the damage and tap the capture button. You can continue to tap the capture button to create different angles or polygons in the space where the damage is located. We will only do just a small section of this wall. When you have finished marking off the damage in the area, simply connect back to the first point just like you would do when you close your perimeter. Targeting the area, you notice the entire perimeter of the space turns red. Here, tap the menu button to bring up your object options, and then tap the damage button. Notice that next to the pin icon in the menu is the word damage. Let's rename the damage to be more specific. Tap the pen icon to annotate. You can annotate by typing on the keyboard or by tapping the microphone icon for voice to text. We will type and name the damage fire and smoke. You now know how to mark off and annotate damage in your measured space. This ends the fourth lesson in the PLNAR tutorial.